Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. Today we are diving into the activation, setup and features of Importify on WordPress. Let's get started. Importify helps dropshippers and e-commerce entrepreneurs run stores without holding inventory. With powerful automation, AI-powered content optimization, advanced pricing tools and integration with WooCommerce and other platforms. Let's install it. After it's installed, we will activate it. After activation, you can see a page like this. Here you can see SSL certificate is not installed. You can click on Setup SSL and check out Importify WooCommerce Store Connection Troubleshooting Guide. From here, from the given link, you can install simply SSL. You can click on Really Simple SSL and get your SSL certificate installed. In order to learn, click on How to install. You can read the information and FAQs given over here for extra knowledge. Let's now click on Skip and proceed to Dashboard. After this, we are directed to this page where plans are shown. Here are three plans: Basic, Premium and Gold. The most popular plan is Premium. You also get the option to avail free trial. So these three plans have varied prices along with the varying features. Here below you can also check out whatever details are given. Like WooCommerce store owners can use credit card, PayPal, bank transfer, local payment method to avail Importify subscriptions. You can also get here the FAQ regarding free trial available and how it works, as we need to get their subscription to avail the free trial. If we don't like it, we can cancel it. So let's click on Premium Packets, Start Free Trial. After it's selected, we are redirected to verify if we are human. Now, moving further, we get this type of billing information page. Here we need to add our details, adding email ID, name. Here you can select the country. We are selecting here United Kingdom, as this is just for demonstration. You also get here two payment methods, Visa and PayPal. If you are opting for PayPal, you will be directed over there at checkout. Here you can see our total is 154 RON per month. So that's it for this video. You can click on Submit Order and you can avail your Importify subscription along with free trial. To cancel it, you can send them email. Thank you. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Buddy Developers for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.